Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to build an online course. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you on how you will be able to build an online course. We will be using this platform called Udemy, and I will also be showing you how you could utilize ChatGPT to be able to build your online course with you. So we will be corresponding or making these two platforms work together to build an amazing online course. Of course, ChatGPT will not be the one who will be creating majority of it. You will also be a big part of the creation of the online course because in Udemy, you would be required to upload a video of you actually teaching the course. So let's go and show you how to do it. Now, when you first visit Udemy and when you first create an account, of course, you wouldn't know where to start because you wouldn't know how to create a course in this platform. That's very easy. You're simply going to click on the instructor options over here on the top right. And when you select that, you will be redirected to the page where you will be able to create your own online courses over here, as you can see. You will be able to see the different courses that you have created over time over here, and you will be able to continue them or delete them. Now, to start creating your online course, you're simply going to click on new course over here. But before we start this, let's first think about what topic are we going to create our course about. If you already have an idea, of course, that would be great. You could start right away. But for me, I don't have any idea yet. Now, this is where we could start beginning ChatGPT. This is where we could start using it to help us with the creation of our course. So let's ask, give me a very good or a successful online course topic. And simply click on enter, and then let's wait for the topic that ChatGPT will provide to us. And as you can see, it's creating us, or it provided us one topic and it provided us with information already like the various topic. But as you can see, the topic is cultivating resilience, thriving in a rapidly changing world. So this is a good title, or this is a good topic, but let's ask ChatGPT to produce us more. Give me a list of a good online course topic. Give at least 5. Let's fix our spelling over here. There we go. And let's see the output that ChatGPT will produce to us. And there we go. It is providing us with 5 topics that we could utilize and use for the creation of our online course. So let's say I'll go with this one, Healthy Living Bootcamp. I'm simply going to copy the title and let's go back to Udemy over here. Now, let's proceed and click on new course over here, and then we will begin the process of creating our online course. So the first step over here, as you can see, it will ask you what type of course are we making, because we have two options. We have the course option, which is what we will be selecting, and we have the practice test over here, which is designed for helping students prepare for certification exams. So if ever you also want to create a practice test, you will also be able to create it through Udemy over here. But let's proceed with the course. Simply click this option and zoom out of it. Click on continue. Now over here, this is where we're going to put our title. ChatGPT already provided us with a title over here, so let's simply copy and paste it over here. But we could also ask ChatGPT, recreate this title and make it sound more academic. And simply paste the title over here, click on enter, and let's see the output that ChatGPT will produce to us. There we go. And we can simply copy this and replace our title over here. But unfortunately, the size or the length of word is too long, so let's ask, make it shorter. There we go, because there's a limit with the text over here, with the amount of characters that we could use for our title. And as you can see, optimal wellness practices for a fulfilling life. So let's simply copy this, paste it over here. It's a bit tight, so let's delete one space, and there we go. So let's settle with this one. Actually, we could remove this and add this. And unfortunately, it's still not enough, so let's say limit it to 60 characters. enter, and let's wait for the title. There we go. So simply copy this. Place it over here. Also, keep in mind, you don't need to fully finalize your title right away. You will be able to change it later on, as you can see here in this message. But let's settle with that for now and simply click on continue. After that, we will now select the category for the specific title. There's a lot of categories over here. You have development, business, finance, accounting, IT and software, office productivity, and many more. Now let's ask ChatGPT what type of category this is. What type of category is this course? And click on enter. And let's see the topic. Lifestyle and wellness. So let's simply select lifestyle over here. We have the lifestyle option over here. And let's click on continue to proceed to the next step. And as you can see, it will ask you how much time can you spend creating your course per week. Now this depends on your availability because of course, creating a course is not easy. It will take a lot of time to be able to successfully build it up. And before you will be able to start selling it or posting it on Udemy, you would need to spend quite a lot of time developing it. So simply put it over here, depending on your availability. But for us, let's say I'm very busy right now, which is 0 to 2 hours. So create course. And now after that, we will now be able to produce the part where we will be able to create different information about the course. As you can see here, over here on the left side, we have the first part, plan our course, then the create your content part, then publish your course part will be here. And we will have to check this all one by one. This is like a checklist of your course creation. So before you will be able to proceed with anything else, you will need to finish all of this information. As you can see here, for our first step, we have intended learners. Basically, you must enter 4 learning objectives or outcome that learners can expect to achieve. This is the first part that we need to complete. So let's simply copy this and paste it to ChatGPT over here and click on enter. Then ChatGPT will provide us with 4 learning objectives or outcomes that we could utilize for this one over here. So as you can see, we have all of this. So simply copy this. Comprehensive understanding, paste it over here. And you have your evidence-based strategies, paste it over here. Click this. Analytical thinking, copy it as well. And the holistic lifestyle plan, and paste it over here. Now over here, what are the requirements or prerequisite for your course? Simply copy this, paste it over here as well, and let's see what ChatGPT will provide us. You can see, let's simply select at least 3. So let's go with openness to critical thinking. Put it over here. Let's add to our response. Access to internet, desire for personal growth. Let's copy this. Let's fix our highlight over here. Copy and paste it over here. Then last one, let's look for one good one. I guess we could say a basic reading and writing proficiency. Do that and paste it over here. Now over here, who is this course for? We could put a description of our intended learners. So let's ask ChatGPT to produce this as well. And let's use the output that ChatGPT will produce, as you can see. So we have this. Let's put 3 responses again, similarly with the other one. So let's go with lifelong learners. So over here, add to our response. Students, busy professional, health enthusiasts. Copy this. Is it over here? Add one more. And let's go with curriculum developers. There we go. Then simply click on save over here on the top right. And let's go to the next step. Our next step is the course structure. This is basically just information on what you need to put. As you can see, planning your course carefully will create a clear learning path for students and help you once you're filled. Think down to the details of each lecture, including skill to teach me, estimated video length, and practical activities to include. So we could ask ChatGPT to produce this for us. Produce these requirements. And click on enter. Unfortunately, I think we accidentally did something else. Go. And let's wait for the output that ChatGPT will produce to us. There we go. Now it's already producing us like the lectures, the skill taught, introduction, content, practical activity, summary. You could basically ask ChatGPT to produce majority of the parts of the course. And as you can see, it will continuously create our information over here. And you can simply put that later on in the different parts of your course over here on the course creation. Over here for the next step, setup and test video. Like I said earlier, you would need to submit a video of you teaching the video or the course, as you can see. And once you upload it to Udemy over here, some experts will give you personalized advice on your audio and video so that you can improve it. And once you pass it, you will be able to produce or proceed to the next step, which is the film and editing over here. After that, let's go with the curriculum. You have your curriculum over here. You can already utilize this area that ChatGPT has provided us. We could copy this, introduction to wellness and dimensions, and we could replace this. There we go, save lecture. And then you could add the content. You have the video and slide mashup and article. And over here, you have the estimated video length. You could already ask ChatGPT to produce this. Produce my script for this and click on enter, and ChatGPT will also produce the script that you could utilize and upload to Udemy over here. Then you could simply add a curriculum item. You could either add lecture, quiz, coding exercise, or an assignment over here. And then you can simply go on and on until you are able to be satisfied with the content of your course. And after that, you could either add captions or accessibility. Then you could now decide with the pricing of your course, as you can see here. And you could also have the course landing page in this section. But that's basically it. After entering all the information that you are required to enter, you will now be able to submit it for a review. And once your course has been accepted or has a passing, you will now be able to post your online course online, or specifically under Udemy. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.